Tubeway have an excellent range of carpet edges or carpet metals available for most carpet and vinyl flooring applications. All 9 types are made from high-grade aluminium. They're stronger and more hard-wearing than many thinner competitive products, but they can still be cut to size with a hacksaw. Colouring is gold and silver, anodised finish, giving long-lasting scuff resistance and bright colours. All types come in packs of 5x895mm or 5x2.7 in both colours. Details and pricing are on the Metal Carpet Edges page of www.tubeway.co.uk. The single carpet edge finishes the edges of Hessian back carpet with rubber underlay. Nailed to the floor, sharp teeth grip the carpet. The front edge is designed to push down to enclose carpets of different thicknesses. Don't hammer it directly, use a wooden batten to bend it evenly. The double carpet edge joins 2 Hessian carpets with rubber underlay. It nails the floor, has double gripping teeth and a ribbed centre. The felt carpet edge edges felt or foam carpet or thick floor tiles. It nails the floor and the front face can be pushed down to the correct height. The vinyl edge, this low angled edging finishes vinyls or floor tiles. It screws to the floor from the top, screws are provided. The carpet cover joins 2 soft floor coverings. It's ribbed and screws in from the top with the screws provided. It's 37mm wide. The vinyl cover joins 2 hard floorings. It's 25mm wide and screws from the top with the screws provided. Matwell Angle is 90 degrees for edging a recessed doormat. The surface is heavily ribbed to give a non-slip finish. Stair Nosing protects carpeted stairs and provides a heavily ribbed non-slip finish. It's 37mm by 13mm. The extra wide 60mm cover is for gaps between floor surfaces. It's ribbed, has extra strengthening and screws to the floor with the screws provided. See tubeway.co.uk for prices and details of these and our laminate and snap top floor edgings as well. Thanks for watching.